கொடஞன் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விடுதெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கு
This is Purushothaman from 12th. I am alone, so I don't wear mask. For your safety, you wear mask. Today's pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders. Treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be in prosperity. Along rise my happiness. Jai Hind.
Pleasant morning to all. I am Priscilla Jennifer from 12E. Today's thought. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Thank you.
Good morning, I am A. Lalapan. I am studying 12th E. I am going to say you a thought. Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes your life. Said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
நன்றி மறப்பது நன்றன்று நன்றல்லது அன்றே மறப்பது நன்று. ஒருவர் நமக்கு செய்த நன்மையை மறப்பது நல்லதன்று, அவர் செய்த தீமையை எப்பொழுதே மறந்து விடுவது நல்லது.
வணக்கம். திருக்குறள். கேடில் விழுச்செல்வம் கல்வி ஒருவருக்கு மாடல்ல மற்றையவை. ஒருவனுக்கு துன்பம் தராத சிறந்த செல்வம் கல்வி செல்வமே ஆகும். ஏனைய செல்வங்கள் எல்லாம் சிறந்த செல்வங்கள் ஆக மாட்டான்.
Good morning to all. I am Srinivasan. I am studying in 12th standard. Today I will read a moral story. The topic of the story, the lion and the mouse. The lion was once sleeping in the jungle when a mouse started running up and down his body just for fun. This disturbed the lion's sleep and he woke up quite angry. He was about to eat the mouse when the mouse discreetly requested to the lion to set him free. I promise you, I will be great help to you someday if you save me. The lion laughed at the mouse, confidence and let him go. One day a few hunters came into the forest and took the lion with them. They tied him up against a tree. The lion was struggling to get out, started to whimper soon. The mouse walked past and noticed the lion in trouble. Quickly he ran and garnered on the traps to set the lion free. Both of them split off into the jungle. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning, students. Teachers are second parents. They care you so much. They correct you. They criticize you if you are wrong. Generally, students will hate the people who correct them. If anyone gives advice, if anyone corrects their mistakes, they don't like their personalities. But the person who really loves you, that person only will correct you. Right? Now see, my dear children, we can see only 180 degree. From this side to this side. Only 180 degree we can view. If you go and stand in front of the mirror, you can see only one part. What is at the back side you cannot see. So who will be telling you if something is at the back side? Only your well-wisher. If some dirt is there at the back side, means only your parents or teachers, the well-wishers only will tell you. Okay, others will not correct you. So if anyone corrects you, please be happy. Welcome them. Have them with you because they really care you. That's why they correct you. Teachers will correct you because they care you. Right. My dear students, it is noted that some of you are not writing your test. Please be punctual, be regular in writing your test. Right? As I told you yesterday, let us make happy day. It is not have a happy day. Day will be a happy day only. But it is in our hand to make it happy. So, let us make every day a happy day. Make a happy day. Thank you.